Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to your fitness and wellness today. I am vangoss, and this is a kettlebell workout. If you want to get a 5-pound or a 10-pound, whatever pound or weight works for you, awesome. So let's warm up first. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 more. Now to the front, here we go. It's windy. But the wind has never stopped us before. Both hands up. And leg up too. Now give me a jack. 2, 3, 4, 5. Like a low jack. 7. Get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then out. And out. First, we're going to do up. I'm back. So first we're going to do a goblet squat. And you're going to bring down safely, right in here. Bring it all the way up and squat it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, we're going to do one set of 16. Ready? Kettlebell swings. Squat into it, come down and lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Squat it down. 6, 7, and 8. I feel it. Hee. All right, here we go. Now we're going to do split squats right in here. Bring it on down. Hold that kettlebell right up and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 more. 1, 2, chest lifted. Bring it on up. Okay, other side. I'm gonna switch, but other side of the leg. Ready? Here we go. You doing all right? Okay, make sure you hold your kettlebell out, or if you have a weight, hold it out because you're working your arms at the same time. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Woo! Wind is blowing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whoo-yah! Next up, we're going to do hand-to-hand squat. Bring it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Wah! Good. All right, now let's get ready for deadlifts. We're gonna turn to the side. You're gonna bring it down and pull it up. Use all your butt muscles to pull it up. Butt connected to the back, connected to every muscle. Here we go. Bend that knee and hinge forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, You got this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. High five me. You're gonna bring it like this. You're gonna pull back. 1, bent row. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3. Pull it up. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Put a smile on it, will you? Here we go. Pull. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Reposition yourself if you need to. Woo! Okay, now we're gonna do this whole set over. Start with the goblet squat. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we go. Let's swing it. Bring the legs out. All right. Let's squat it down. 1, 2. Use the abs. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 more. Split squat. Here we go. Hold it and down. Other side, other leg. Go for it. Here we go. Deadlifts. Hand to hand. Bring it on up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, Forgot what side I was doing. Here we go. Pull. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pull it. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How you doing? You all right? Okay, give me a bonus one. Just push it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep a slight bend in the knee. Sometimes I do that because it protects my lower back, because I have injured my back on many occasions just doing a lot of fitness stuff. Here we go. Pull it. 1. Hold on. It's hitting my watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shoo. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You can bring your hand up if you want. 5, 6, 7, 8. Pull it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now, if you want to make it more challenging, you know how I came up? Don't come up. Keep it low and begin like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to feel this one. 6, 7, 8. Oh my gosh. Way down. All right, stay right there. And just stretch it. Stretch it. Now, right here, twist, stretch it. And down, stretch it. Great workout. Bring it on down right here and hold it. Twist. Good. In the front, twist. Bring it up. Roll it all the way up. We're going to turn to the other side of the leg. Inhale, exhale down. Bring the leg back. Good. Twist. Good. Bring it down. All the way. Then bring it down. Hold it up. High five me. High five me. Boom. Awesome, awesome workout. If you don't have a kettlebell, you can also grab your weights. If you have a dumbbell, you can grab it like that, okay? Thank you for working out with me. I really appreciate you. I love doing this. I love serving you in this way. So make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel and share it with all the people you know. So until we meet again, bye.